Hey guys, it's Dan here, and I'm out playing with my Blackstone again today. I just put some oil down on it, heating it up. I got it on about a medium heat. Still trying to get the seasoning in on it and everything because it's been raining since my last video. This is really only going to be my second cook on this. But I went and I bought some Bratwurst Patties with the cheddar cheese in them, and I'm going to make myself a little breakfast sandwich. So let me get started putting some bacon on here. And I'm hoping everything I'm cooking today has plenty of fat in it and stuff. Because, like I said, I'm still working on getting the seasoning all in this and everything. Everybody I've talked to that cooks a lot on Blackstone, they told me that what I have to do is I just have to keep cooking on it, and the rest of everything will end up getting black. The day I tried to season it, it was super windy, so I actually had quite a bit of trouble. If you see, like on this edge, because the wind was coming from that direction, it didn't darken up very much. So I'm going to try doing most of my cooking kind of on this right side, because it needs a lot more seasoning than this left side. So let me get this bacon going for a second, and I'll be right back with you. Alright, I know these aren't done cooking up yet, but evidently this piece of bacon that I cut in half was actually 2 pieces. So I just wanted to show you guys real quick that I ended up with some bonus bacon if I can get it to come apart. So one of these sandwiches is going to end up with a lot of bacon, even though that's an awful thin slice. That might be why I didn't notice that there was 2 pieces on there. But yeah, you gotta love it when you think you're only cooking 2 slices of bacon and you end up with 3. Alright, well, like I said, let me finish getting this going and I'll be back with the next part. Alright, my bacon's definitely done. Let me get it over closer to the camera so you can see it. But yeah, it's done. I'm just going to tuck it in this back corner right here because I know there's not a lot of heat in that back corner. I can tell by how little seasoning. Clean just a little bit of the bacon scrapings off. I don't want to get rid of all that good grease, but add just a touch more oil on there because, like I said, I'm still trying to get this good and seasoned. So until I get this thing as black as the tires on my car, I'm going to be putting a lot of oil and everything on. But these are these Bratwurst patties right here, and these already have cheddar cheese in them. But when I make my sandwich, I am actually going to add pepper jack cheese to the top because, you know, I like pepper jack cheese. I still got this. I'm going to turn it to about medium high. Just playing around. Like I said, I'm still learning this. Hopefully you guys are enjoying watching me try to learn on it. I'll be back here in a few minutes. I won't bore you with this just cooking and everything. But if you guys like the videos I'm putting out and everything, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. Oh, I'm looking. You guys can't hardly even see what I'm cooking way over there. Alright, I'll adjust that a little bit. Leave comments. If you guys own a Blackstone, especially one of these 28-inch ones, leave suggestions in the comments on what I need to do better and everything. I don't know if you guys saw my review of when I unboxed it and everything, but if you noticed, it is a lot higher now. This is a lot easier for me to cook. Daddy Dutch Barbecue gave me a suggestion on it. On one of my future videos, I'll show you what I did. But Kent, thank you very much. I'm already loving this. I've got it 7 1/4 inches higher than what it came standard. Alright, those are browning up nicely. So I went ahead and I put this side over here on low. I'm just going to put a little bit of butter down, or attempt to get it off my spoon. I didn't have any stick butter in the house. All I have is this stuff. So a little bit of butter down. Throw me a bun there, there. I just want a real light toast on these buns. Not a whole lot. But while those are toasting up, I got 2 of these silicone egg rings. And these are just cheap Walmart ones that I've had them for a long time. I never use them. But actually, they've been in a drawer. I don't even think they're round anymore. So I'm going to put some oil around there. I don't want those eggs to stick. Hopefully it'll hold the egg. Like I said, they've been in a drawer and everything else. There's 1 egg. There's the 2nd egg. Well, that ring looks like it's leaking out a little bit. No big deal. At least it didn't run everywhere. Ooh, wind's blowing. A little bit of pepper everywhere, but you gotta put some pepper on that. Let's see what these buns are starting to look like. Getting a little bit of a toast on them. That one's starting to look real good. Oh yeah, those are about ready to pull off. Stuff around. So that there's 1 good bun. I'm going to set it to the side now that it's toasted up. Check on these. Oh yeah, look at that sear. That is beautiful. While those are still cooking, let me get these as close as possible to each other because the dome I have is relatively small. Throw a slice of pepper jack cheese on each. Put a little bit of water to steam that cheese. Let's see how well these are set up if they're going to run everywhere on me. Yeah, stayed pretty good. I'm actually happy. I figured they'd run for the woods. All right. Go ahead and give these a flip. Hopefully I didn't just break that yolk. I'm horrible at breaking yolks. But it's a sandwich, so who cares? Man, those are looking good. Man, look at that cheese. I love the way a dome on this Blackstone just melts that cheese perfectly. So, let me grab a bun real quick. I'm going to go ahead and turn all the heat off because we are done. Yeah, that yolk there popped a little bit, but oh well. That'll be mine. So, grab this bad boy right here. Put it cheese side down. And since this one's mine, use some, burn my fingers. Alright. Then I'm going to throw a couple slices of bacon on top. I don't know if you guys can see how that's looking right there. But now, we're just going to put this egg right there. I'm just going to grab this top bun, and right there we have a heck of a sandwich. I'll be back with you guys here in a few minutes with a taste test. That looks beautiful and smells delicious. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see these or not, but I decided both of these are going to be mine. I'm just that hungry. I'll cook the wife something here in a little bit. She won't mind. Plus I want to play more on the Blackstone. But let me take a bite of this. And hopefully I'll let it cool down enough, even though there is still some steam coming off of it. And you don't have to have a Blackstone to do this. I've made those sandwiches long before I had a Blackstone. I did it in my cast iron skillet. But I appreciate you guys watching my video. Thank you guys very much. Y'all have a blessed day. If you made it this far in the video, I'd greatly appreciate it. Please leave a comment.